Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another video at GDB Rescue and Recovery. So on today's video we have been sent in a product by TOPDON. Some of you may or may not have heard of this brand before. It's a new one to me. So they've got in contact and sent us in this product to do a review, and as you know, all of my reviews are genuine and 100% real. So battery tester BT300P. Obviously we do get jobs. Shame it's come just a little bit late. We've had all this bad weather with the cold and I had numerous battery jobs, so something like this would have been ideal. I did ask Santa for one on my Christmas list, but obviously better late than never. So battery tester BT300P by TOPDON. Open up the box and we've obviously got the packaging for the product, which I have already had a little sneak peek. Shut this down on here. Right, so inside the TOPDON carry case, open it up like so, and you've obviously got your battery tester with its negative and its positive clamp, which obviously goes onto the battery. So you've actually got reasonable length on here compared to some boost packs that we get, and the cables are so short, but that is absolutely ideal. It's like probably about 1 meter in length. I'll come a little bit closer to the camera just so you can see it. So as you can see, it's a nice, simple, compact, sleek design. Although there's no rubber mats on the back, just as an example, say for example we put it in a car, it's obviously prone to potentially slide around a little bit. Maybe a few little rubber bump stops, just might help that a little bit, but hey, I'm not going to complain at all. Looks pretty straightforward. It's only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons, and it also has the printer roll that goes in the top. And inside the packaging, you do get 2 print rolls as well. It's probably going to take you quite a while to get through those anyway, but at least it's nice and easy to get them replaced. So, shall we do a little job with the new battery tester? And I'm also going to do kind of splitting this video. It's going to be in a few different segments, obviously for the manufacturers, but I've just been sent, as a quick one, another boost pack, and my car needs a boost, so let's go get it. But first, we're going to do a little video of how to get into this particular vehicle that's locked, and then we'll test the battery. Hopefully you like what you see. If you do like what you see, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So first things first, I'm going to put on my negative to the negative, and my positive to the positive. Then I'm going to hopefully press the on button, if I've even got enough power in here, which it has literally been sucked, it's been drained. Nope, I've got absolutely nothing. So forget that, I'm just going to have to put the boost pack straight on and try and get it started. Battery tester, TOPDON, BT300P. Just want to check my alternator's charging, so I'm going to be driving along and make sure it doesn't cut out on me. So we've got power straight away. She was already showing 14.56 volts, so I'm going to go down to charging test, press enter, press start engine, press enter to continue. Engine is already on. Straight away she's right at the top, about 14.2, 14.4 volts. A good alternator is normally anything between 13.2 and 14.8. So increase speed to 2,500 and keep it there for 5 seconds, and then press enter to continue. Well, how am I going to do that? Press enter for 5 seconds. Well, that was harder than expected. So, under load we are charging at 14.31 volts, unloaded at 14.44 volts. That's perfect. Charging is normal, we have no faults. Charging is normal, we have no faults. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to print off. Yes sir, your alternator, charging absolutely fine. You've got no problems. Here's your ticket. And I'll see you on the next one. Easy. Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another one. On today's video we're going to be reviewing 2 products for one video, but I'm going to merge these together to represent each brand separately. So we're going out to a job in Shavington Crew. Ladies called up, non-start home address. As you might be able to see outside in the background, it is extremely cold and we are -3 degrees. So we're going to be using the battery tester by TOPDON, and we're also going to be using the jump pack by BT300P. Hopefully we'll get this job done and all nice and well for the customer with a good result, and hopefully one of the products will jumper and the other product should be able to test the battery and it'll advise it if she needs a charge or a replacement. Nearly on scene, and next part of clip we will be there with the Ford KA. Just gotta find it. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Any products that you want to send in, email gdbrescueandrecovery@mail.com. Thanks for watching. Battery tester TOPDON, BT300P jump pack. Morning, it's just Greg. I'm just outside with your Ford KA. Lovely, thanks. Bye bye. Morning. All right. Yeah, not bad. Might be a little bit frozen on the latch. No, it's all right. I've just got to do a video off my dash cam, just only against the bonnet. Just we get sent in all these products that we have to test all the time off YouTube.
Yeah, it's alright.
Sound. Right. So what happened this morning? Was it clicking, making any noises, or completely dead?
It was just clicking.
Yeah, just clicking, that's fine. Should just be this battery anyway.
Yes, it's happened a few times, like when I go on holiday and I come back.
Right, yeah.
Just doesn't seem to work out when I leave it for a couple of days, especially in the cold as well.
Yeah, yeah. It's probably going to want a replacement, although I don't think it's a... I think it's an aftermarket battery, it's not the Ford one. And what's your car? 15... Yeah, it's 7 years old. It's probably been changed before, I would assume. Right, let's see what it says. Right, battery test. Enter. It's a regular flooded battery. Cold cranking amps is 450. Enter. Power is too low, whether to continue testing? Yes. So yeah, at the minute it's showing extremely low. Extremely low at the minute. So before charging, 2%, which is yeah, game over basically speaking. Right, so let me print that off on there. Take that off. If you just jump in for me, make sure it's in neutral, and it should fire up. Yeah, please. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, battery definitely want changing, yeah, 110%. Halfords today, and they'll do it there and then on the spot for you. You got Halfords in Crew, haven't you? Yeah, yeah. If I was you, it's not worth the risk because the battery's showing like critically low light, so wherever you go next, there's a high chance that it may not want to restart. So if you can go to Halfords quickly this morning, get a new battery, it's done then you know, you haven't got to worry about your car not starting in the morning to work and stuff. Yeah, there and then, yeah, definitely. As long as I've got it in stock, but it's a standard battery that. It's nothing like on a brand new Range Rover where it's underneath the seats. It's an easy battery and it's a common battery as well. Say again. No, not much really, no. Obviously I don't work for Halfords like, but they're normally very good on price, Halfords are anyway. So now we're going to do a charging test. Press start engine, press enter to continue. And if you can just accelerate on the pedal to 2,500 RPM for 5 seconds. That'll do, that's okay. Yep, perfect. Good morning, YouTubers. Today is another day. This is going to be my last job that I'm going to using 2 products that I've been sent in to review. We're going to be using the TOPDON battery tester again, which has worked wonders so far. I am very, very happy with it. I cannot complain at all. It's brilliant. Does exactly what it says on the tin. And I'm also going to be giving the TOPDON jump pack one last go as well, which has done okay, but it's not ticked all of my personal boxes, but it's an okay product. So hopefully the TOPDON will get this vehicle jump started, and obviously the TOPDON battery tester will again tell us the health and conditions of this battery. If you do want to send any products in for a genuine review, do let me know. Email gdbrescueandrecovery@mail.com. That's gdbrescueandrecovery@mail.com. Hopefully everybody is safe and well, and good luck to those that have entered the competition to win the Jeep XJ. See you when we are on scene. We've got a video of this battery tester. We get sent in all these products off the internet, so I just have to show them that they're working. Yeah, certainly. No problem. Bit of a recall with a bit of a fault with them. Okay. Fair enough, well, we'll soon find out. If there's any life in it whatsoever. Got you. Fair enough. Did you get any lights on the dashboard or not? No, so it's completely dead. Yeah, it's dead as a dodo, that. Right, that answers that first question then. So, we can't test the battery because it is so dead, but what we can do is give it a bit of a jump. So just switching over to the no-code terminals, obviously a lot bigger. Battery is showing 4.2 volts, which is extremely dead. Give it a boost. Wait a few moments. Right, give that a go for me. Hey, you can turn that off, and that will tell us what our alternator is charging at, which at the minute is very high at 15, so that may change shortly, and we'll now put back on the TOPDON battery tester. So that at the minute is a little bit high. Right, charging test, enter, enter. Right, so increase the speed to 2,500 RPM for 5 seconds. Just quickly jumping here for 1 sec. Charging rate normal, on the high side, but that's because the battery is so low. Okay, so as you've just seen, the TOPDON battery tester, it didn't want to test the battery when it was so flat. Obviously I did put on my other product, which was the NOCO GB500 with the built-in voltmeter, and it confirmed that that battery was basically kaput, 4 point something volts, which is extremely low. Obviously once I got the vehicle started with the NOCO GB500 boost pack, it then obviously gave me the alternator reading, which we then put it on the TOPDON battery tester, and it was showing like right at the top end 14.8, 14.9 volts. So yes, it is charging absolutely fine, but we're right at the top end. Vehicles, customer vehicle car was a Ford Puma, less than 3 years old. Apparently there's a lot of known issues with that particular vehicle, with stuff draining the battery, clearly that looks like it's the case, because you would not expect a brand new vehicle with a pretty damn recent fresh battery from new to be giving you grief in this little bit of a cold spell that we've had. So yeah, but I've got to say, the battery tester for me, it wins. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It will test your batteries, you know, subject to if it has any physical life in it, and it will obviously also do your alternator test. So that is an absolutely perfect product, and it works beautifully in line with any other jump packs such as the JF Egwos and the Noco boost packs. You can work on both against each other and with each other. So very happy. Thanks for sending it in. I have no promo codes for this particular product, but I'm sure if you go onto like Amazon, on the internet, or go on their website directly at TOPDON, you will find the product on there, and I'm very, very satisfied with that battery tester. So thank you all very much, and thank you TOPDON for sending it in. If you'd like any other products reviewed, do let me know, and send an email to gdbrescueandrecovery@mail.com. And that review is good. I'm happy with it, happy to keep it with me, happy to use it on a daily basis. Thank you all very much. Mr. GDB over now, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.